What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. If you do not know me, thank you so much for being here as always. Today we are going to be doing something a little different. So I headed on over to my local Walgreens or drugstore or whatever you have wherever you live, and I picked up some goodies. I was in need of a couple of items, and naturally I ended up buying way more than I actually needed. Luckily I made a list of the things I needed, or else I probably wouldn't have even gotten anything I actually needed. So yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into it. I have my receipt so I can tell you guys all of the prices for everything, and they had a ton of deals going on. They had buy one get one free, all kinds of really awesome deals. So I'm actually just gonna start with the first thing on this receipt. So firstly, I needed some new lash glue. So they had buy one get one free on Duo Lash Glue. I was looking to get the one that had the paint on strip lash, but they didn't have any, which is fine. So I was just gonna get the clear one, but since they had a buy one get one free, I got the clear and the dark color as well. The Duo Lash Glue is $7.99, so they had a buy one get one free, which is awesome. The next thing I got, they also had a buy one get one free on the Ardell lashes. So I went ahead, I love Ardell lashes, but their faux mink lashes are gorgeous. So I got the faux mink lashes, the Demi Wispies, obviously the most popular lashes that they sell. And the other pair I got are Ardell faux mink lashes in 811. Now surprisingly enough, the Demi Wispies were $6.49. and the 811 lashes were $5.99, which is actually kind of surprising to me because the 811 ones look more luxurious. I don't know, whatever. Regardless, once again, these were buy one get one free. I got two more sets of lashes. I got two pairs of Kiss lashes. These were buy one get one 50% off. The first style I got are Boudoir, and the second style is Corset. Now I'm excited to try these ones out because I tend to go for more flared lashes at the end to kind of elongate my eyes. Now these are more, like the center lashes are much longer than the inner and outer corners. So I'm excited to see how that's gonna make my eyes look when I try these on. Yeah, both of these were $6.99, so I got the other one for $3.24. Now the last of the buy one get one deals that I ended up getting, they literally had yellow tags on everything. The only other thing that I picked up that was a part of the deal were L'Oreal Cosmetics. Needed some new mascara. So I've never tried this one out. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes. In my previous videos, my usual go-to mascara is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I like the Voluminous Mascara. This is Voluminous Million Lashes, so maybe it'll be 10 million times better. Who knows? But it's gold packaging and it kind of suckered me in because it looks really extra and fun. And then I also thought it would be fun. I also picked up the Voluminous Original Mascara in Cobalt Blue. Don't ask me why. Buy one, get one half off, and I was like, this looks super cool, so I wanted to try it out. The Voluminous Million Lashes is $10.49, and the Cobalt Blue is originally $8.49, but they had it half off, so I got it for $4.24. Moving on. So all of these I paid full price for. I picked up this Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream because I have one or two other ones of these. I'm really sad to say that the shade range for their liquid lipsticks are not that great. They probably have like 10 shades in the matte lip cream. They have quite a few more in their liquid lipstick like shine section, and I like matte liquid lipsticks more so. So this was, I think I have the two lightest liquid lipsticks that they sell, and so I got this one because it's a really interesting, it's like a true terracotta, it's a true terracotta color, and it's really gorgeous. It is in the shade Loved. I'm really excited to try this color. I feel like it's gonna look super pretty, like especially when I'm really tan in the summer. Now that Milani lip cream is, oh, and so I have a Walgreens rewards member card, so I get deals and stuff. So that original price is $8.99, and I got it for $6.74. I got a lot of NYX stuff because I love NYX, and yeah, I just love NYX. As you guys know, in every single video since I've even started YouTube and for past years before I even started YouTube, I always use my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. That's all I know. And I kind of wanted to step outside of my comfort zone, and I've heard really good things about this. So I went ahead and got the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate. I feel like it's going to take a lot of practice with this because the pomade and brow pencils are just vastly different. So this is going to be interesting, but it's really nice because as you can see in the picture, it comes with the pencil side and it also comes with a nice spoolie on the other end to kind of feather it out. Now this is $10 even. It's pretty expensive for NYX, I feel like. Next thing I got was a new brow gel because I don't really care for the, I think it's Revlon. I don't know, I always forget. Whatever brow gel I've been using. Didn't really care for it, it's gotten kind of old. So I picked up the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, also in the shade Chocolate. This bad boy is $7. In my last video, I kind of mentioned I don't really care for the Revlon Color Stay Concealer that I have. It's not a bad concealer, but it's not as full coverage as I would like it to be. So I got the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. I've tried this before, but I can't really remember how it performed. Just looks like that. Nothing crazy or special about it. Now they didn't have a ton of colors for this, which is kind of disappointing, but the closest color I could find for me was CW01 Porcelain. And it's lighter than my Revlon Color Stay, and the Revlon Color Stay was like pretty good color for me, so I'm wondering if this is gonna be too light. If it is, I'll return it and get a different shade, hopefully if and when they get more in. This concealer is $5. That's awesome. I got some gum, extra spearmint. Oh, I got a couple of lip liners because I said in my last video that the Italia Deluxe lip liner was the only nude lip liner I had at the moment, which is true. And I love NYX lip liners, they're super creamy. I just went ahead and got the pencil ones because like the retractable ones are like $1 more expensive. And I still like the pencil formula, so I figured I might as well save a little bit of money, you know. I ended up getting, let's see, these are $4 a piece. And I got the shades. Going bottom to top, we have Tea and Cookies, Soft Spoken, and Natural. Ooh, I'm super excited about this. So I have a couple loose glitters that I have tried to use but never successfully have done so. I see a ton of people using this and raving about it, so I went ahead and picked up the NYX Glitter Glue Primer. I'm so excited to try this out. This is $6. The last three things I picked up are all eyeliners. I am out of my NYC liquid liner, which is my most favorite liquid liner I've ever used, but I hear really good things about NYX liquid liners, so I went ahead and picked up the matte liquid liner. So creative. So I picked up this matte liquid liner in the shade Black. Now that bad boy is $7. Next I picked up the NYX white liquid liner. I'm super excited to try this because I've never had a white liquid liner before, and I'm really curious to see how it's gonna look in an actual like tutorial. It's also $7. And last but not least, I am so excited to try this out. I've heard really great things about it. The NYX Vivid Bright liquid liners. They had an awesome range of colors, but I was super interested in trying out this yellow shade. It is in the shade Vivid Halo, and it just looks so amazing. They had a ton of shades. They had orange, pink, green, blue, yellow. It's just, I really wanted to pick up more of them, but I figured I would start with one, and if I really enjoyed it, I would go and get the other ones. This is also $7. And that, you guys, is all of my drugstore goodies that I picked up today. I hope you enjoyed this style of video. I'm probably not going to be doing hauls very often just because I don't buy makeup that often. I was definitely in need of some makeup, so I figured I would just share with you guys and put out a little bit of a different kind of video. I hope you enjoyed just chilling with me today while I showed you all of my goodies. I'm planning on doing a first impressions of all of these, hopefully all of these products. Keep an eye out for that in the future. Make sure you subscribe and you will know when I post it. You better. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Leave me some love, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah. Say bye,